Hey Talia, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you can increase your SEO for your website. My wife kind of explained to me that you're wanting to launch an online course here at the end of the month. So we'll kind of go through what you have to do to really set your site up for success and helping you launch that course. Overall, really like what you have going here. The pictures are super nice, really good aesthetic to the site. Looks really nice. First thing I did notice as far as improvements wise is your site is not currently secure. So I would definitely recommend securing that site. It's not necessarily something that will move you down in the rankings, but it will make it tougher to move up in the rankings. Google is really a stickler right now, and they're kind of cracking down on making sure that all sites are secure. So I would definitely recommend putting that section in there, and you can secure that with whoever you're hosting your site with. Is how you would go through and make that secure certificate. Next thing, so Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors for websites, and one of those you can really influence is the amount of content you have on this homepage. And I know you're going to be trying to rank individual blog posts, but this homepage is how you can really generate a lot of momentum in ranking those other blog posts as well. So with the content, I usually go by the standard of at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. But in your case, because you're a blogger and you're all about the content and getting that stuff out there, I would be wanting to go for at least 500 more than whatever your competition has. So really just researching the different keywords and what your competition has, and then doing at least 500 more than that for this homepage would really help you out with those efforts as far as ranking goes. But as far as looking at like keywords and SEO, Breakup Coach was the first one I looked at. So we'll look at the top ranked here. So Lovistics, Natalia Juarez. So we will go to her site. So she does have a nice looking site. I mean, she's got a lot of credibility. Good Morning America, GQ. A lot of credibility here behind her site. Content wise, she has a lot on here. What we really want to look at is the SEO, so the back end of her site for SEO. So this is a paid tool I use called Ahrefs. What this tool allows me to do is look at what they have going on for SEO. So we will plug her domain in here. So the whole internet is built on backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. And I'm assuming you're pretty familiar with backlinks, having been a blogger and getting those links out there for your blog already. So Natalia Juarez, sorry, I can't talk today. So she currently has 2,600 backlinks from ADT referring domains, so a lot of different backlinks from a few different websites here. She's getting found for 538 keywords, and she's getting 343 people per month to her website. The really important number here that we wanted to look at, so referring domains is really your bread and butter, and if they're do follow or not. So she currently has 55 do follow referring domains, which isn't a lot, so very doable to pass that up. When you figure that you can send 3-4 backlinks a day even to some of these sites, so you could definitely match that number in a short amount of time. As far as getting those to index, as far as Google to find those, that does take a little bit of time, but very doable for you to see some results and get moving into some competition like this within a few months or so. Looking at some more of your competition here, one thing I did find, so we can look at her keywords. So this allows me to see what keywords she's ranking for, what search volumes are behind those, and how difficult it would be to get your website ranked for those. So call off a wedding is 300 searches per month, and this is national. Keyword difficulty, so it's a 6, so it is a little bit tough for keyword difficulty. Breakup Coach is currently getting 60 searches a month with a KD of 11, so definitely more difficulty there. Being in the top spot for these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed to the #1 spot. So definitely some search value there you could claim. So that's kind of what I found on there. Looking at some other competition, Hello Breakup was another good one I found. So we'll look at her site really quick. So again, she has a really nice site, lots of content. Looking at what keywords she was ranking for, I found this a little more interesting. So how to get over a breakup, 12,000 searches per month. Definitely a lot of competition for that. how to get over your ex, 2600. So there's a lot of potential keywords there that I would recommend you targeting. How to prepare for a breakup. I mean, I don't know exactly what niche you're going to try to, fill with your course. But if you are wanting to, link it around that breakup stuff, breakup blog, 200 searches per month with a KD of 2, could definitely be a good way to really target that blog and getting people in, and then using your blog to convert those into paying customers. So that would definitely be an option for you as well. So there's a lot of search volume out there. Looking at the overview of her site, she has 579 backlinks from 46 referring domains. She has, 1,400 keywords she's being found for. She has 942 people per month that are headed to her website. So a lot of traffic there, and she's had a huge spike just here recently, even with 295 a month, just an increase in the last month. And she only has 37 do follow domains. So looking at your blog compared to these currently, as far as SEO goes, right now you do have some backlinks. So you're at 21 backlinks from 5 referring domains. You're currently getting found for 78 keywords. You're getting 8 people a month to your site. So we can see what keywords you're currently ranking for. So, nothing that you're really wanting to target with your new course, but definitely some stuff in there that you might be able to draw people in. So if you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I can get you more information on what avenues you're wanting to go. If you have some more info on keywords and what approaches you're wanting to take, I'd love to get more information over to you. But that's all I got for you right now. Thank you.